you want instant feedback from your audience during a panel discussion? Bet you do. I'm Kristin Arnold. I'm a professional panel moderator, and polling isn't just a fun thing to do. It's a powerful tool for engagement. But how do you use polls effectively? Stick around or click the link below. So here's how to use polls to drive audience engagement during a panel discussion. First is you want to think about what is the question that you're asking. Ask a quick, relevant question. For example, how many of you have faced this? You could make this a simple hand poll. You notice, how many of you have faced this? And I have demonstrated the motion about how I'm taking the poll. But it doesn't always have to be a hand, people. No, let's get creative about it. In fact, I have a whole bunch of different ways to do that. You could clap, you could stomp, you could ask people to stand up. Just make sure that if you ask people to stomp, clap, or stand up, that they have the ability to do that. I use flags. You could use color-coded cards. The ideas are, well, there's tons of them, okay? So make sure that you're asking a relevant question and then showing how you want them to respond. You could leverage technology. There's lots of meeting apps that use this. My favorite is Slido, but if your organizer is using an event app, chances are there is a technology equivalent of polling in that event app. So you want to leverage that if they've got it. Whatever the results are of the poll, you need to recognize it. Either show it if you're using an event app, or tell the audience, oh, it looks like 75% of you raised your hand. Oh, it seems like that you stomped louder for this one than this one. So you want to tie the results into the discussion. That's interesting. Let's unpack that. So that's polling made easy. I hope you got some good ideas. Maybe put some comments in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel, and if you're looking for more ideas about how to poll your panels, I have some panel design cards where I have a lot more ideas about how you can poll your audience. Just go to paneldesigncards.com. Hey, thanks for watching.